Why are omission alerts so important? Supplements. Supplements are often necessary, but they're almost always painful to a claim. Every adjuster I talk to doesn't love supplements because now they have to pull up the original scope and the second scope and cross-analyze and make sure there's no double. And it's just a mess. When if we had the chance to settle it the first time accurately and soundly, that's in everybody's best interest. It also means, omission alerts means fewer omissions. It means less incentive to add superfluous things to our estimates. If we're getting our estimates right, we're not trying to find things in the gaps and the spaces in between to make up for it. And one of the most important things to me is speeding up the learning curve of someone joining this industry and using this software. One of the big trends we've heard at this conference is talent, labor. We need people in this industry. How do we expect them to succeed in the modern claims environment without tools that are actively guiding them in real time as to what they are doing wrong and what they are doing right and what they maybe need to include that they haven't done yet? Doesn't that sound good? Right? I don't know about you, but when I joined this industry, I came from selling supplemental insurance on the street in Aflac, and I joined the restoration industry, and I would have loved to have someone help me, but more often than not, all the people around me had just as much work as I did, and nobody had time to stop and slow down for me. So now, there's a tool out there that can provide those overage alerts and omission alerts